working on today is the engine bay disassembly on a MGB. So basically taking all the components off the engine, kind of prepping for pulling the engine. We're not going to pull the engine quite yet just because the engine rebuilding side of our business is kind of full at the moment. So it's basically getting it ready to pull. So once we get a spot open up, it'll be kind of, all we have to do is basically bring the car over, disconnect the motor mounts and just the trans mount, and then just pull the whole thing out. But as I'm going through the disassembly, there's just kind of different categories of the engine that kind of all, I guess, sub-assemblies, subsystems that I've been working on. So right here I have the pedal box assembly for the brakes. I just pulled the master cylinder off, so I just have the brake booster and then just kind of the pedal assembly in there. So when you're kind of going through and doing the full brake system on a car like this, it's just a lot easier to just pull the whole pedal box out. It's a little bit more work, but in the long run it's easier because you don't have to kind of reach up inside to get to the 4 bolts for the booster and all sorts of things. And it just makes reassembly so much easier when you're about to when you get it all cleaned up and nice and when you're putting it back in the car. So just gonna finish up disassembling this and get it all tagged and on the shelf. Then from there I'm gonna be working on the Hillman over there, the 48 Hillman, finishing up the front hubs on that. Lots going on at the shop today.